Hi, in this video I am going to walk you through a complete step-by-step and a proper repair of Windows using the Windows recovery environment together with the Windows 11 bootable USB. Use this method when SFC inside Windows refuses to repair files. DISM fails due to severe component store corruption. Windows won't boot properly. In this video, we are not skipping anything. You will learn how to enter WinRE, how to identify your Windows drive letter, how to detect the correct Windows Edition index number, how to run DISM offline, how to use your bootable USB as the repair source, and how to run SFC offline correctly. So let's begin. If Windows still boots, hold Shift key. Click Restart from the Start menu. Then Windows restarts into recovery mode. From here, select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and select Command Prompt. If Windows does not boot, power on the PC. As soon as the Windows logo or device manufacturer's logo appears, hold power button to shut down. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th boot, Windows opens automatic repair. Go to Troubleshoot. Then Advanced Options. And then go to Command Prompt. If Windows does not show automatic repair or the Shift plus Restart option is unavailable, then you must use your Windows 11 bootable USB to access WinRE. If you don't have a bootable USB, then here's a detailed tutorial for you. Once you have the Windows 11 bootable USB, insert the bootable USB into the PC. Power on and immediately press your boot menu key. F12, F11, F10, Escape or F9 depends on your motherboard. Now choose the USB from the boot menu. Wait for the Windows setup screen. Click Next. Now click Repair My PC. Click Next. Next, go to Troubleshoot and click Command Prompt. Now you are in the exact same command prompt where we perform the repairs. Note, the drive letters may differ in WinRE. So we must confirm the Windows installation drive and the USB installation media drive. Type DiskPart and press Enter. Now list all volumes. Next type list volume and press Enter. Look at labels and sizes. USB often labeled ESD-USB or similar like this. Here's my Windows drive is E and USB drive is C. Now exit from DiskPart. Type exit and press Enter. Use your actual drive letters. You can confirm by typing the drive letter and press Enter. Next, type dir and press Enter to confirm. Now let's check for known corruption. Type DISM space / image your Windows drive letter / space / cleanup -image space / check health and press Enter. This command scans Windows stored on your Windows drive for previously detected corruption. Does not repair anything yet. Now let's scan the entire component store. Type DISM space / image your Windows drive letter / space / cleanup -image space / scan health and press Enter. This checks for corrupt files, missing system files, wrong versions and damaged components. If corruption exists, just continue. Note, our USB contains multiple Windows edition in one image. So we must find the correct index number that matches your installed edition. First, check whether USB has install.win. Look inside. Type cd space your USB drive letter / sources /. Next, type dir and press enter to confirm. If you see install.wim, run DISM space / get -wim info space / wim file your USB drive letter / sources / install.wim. If you see install.est, type install.esd instead of install.wim and then press enter. DISM will list several editions. For example, Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Pro and Windows 11 Enterprise. Now choose the one that matches your system. For example, if you run Windows 11 Pro, then choose index 6. We will use this index in the next command. Now repair Windows using clean files from USB. If using install.wim, type DISM space / image your Windows drive letter / space / cleanup -image space / restore health space / source wim your Windows drive letter / sources / install.wim 6 space / limit access. Now replace 6 with your correct index number and replace your Windows and USB drive letter if your drive letters are different and then press enter. Now let me tell you what this command does. Restore health repairs the corruption. Source tells DISM where cleaned system files are located. Limit access block use of Windows Update forcing USB source. This step can take a while. Please wait for it to show success. Now then, DISM repaired the component store. So type SFC space / Scannow space / offbootdir equals your Windows drive letter / space / offwindir equals your Windows drive letter / Windows and then press enter. Now let me tell you what it does. This repairs system files using the newly restored Windows files. Offline mode, SFC has full access without OS interface. Now you should see the message Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. This means success. Type exit and press enter. Select continue and then exit and continue to Windows 11. Your computer will now boot into your freshly repaired system. Now you have successfully identified proper drive paths, verified OS corruption, locate corrected edition index, repaired Windows using USB source, restored missing and corrupt files offline, recovered a system that refused to fix itself. This method works even when SFC fails inside Windows, DISM fails online, Windows won't boot, and system files are severely damaged. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.